Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Volvo S60 Key Fob. You're going to need two of these 2430 batteries. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. I've placed a link in the description below. That will take you straight there. I'm also using a small flat tip screwdriver. This specific one is a 2.5, but anything around this size will work. So first thing you want to do is remove the emergency key. Do that by pressing this latch that way and pulling the key out. Once you have that out, you can either use the key, or I think it's a little bit easier to use this flat tip screwdriver. You just place it in here a little bit and pop up the back. So you can kind of see how deep I had it in there. So once you have that popped up, just stick your screwdriver right there and pop that back hatch out. There's two batteries in here. You can see the orientation here. This one's positive side facing down, and the other one is positive side facing upward. So take out both of those and reinstall your new batteries. Positive side facing up, plastic sleeve in between the two, and then that one positive side facing down. And this is just an easy snap back in, replace your mechanical key, you're all set. Hope that was helpful. If it was, make sure you hit that thumbs up button.